Good afternoon, folks. So what are we doing now? Well, the usual, the sun behind us, shadow, couple of shadows, one shadow, one reflection. Now, I'm about to mention the photon, so obviously this is for entertainment purposes only, okay? As the photon is not real, and common sense is overruling the science, because the shadows being created by objects blocking the sun's absolute light. This kind of stuff has been happening way before the science decided to raise its head. Now, this is about common sense, okay? What we have here, nothing's to do with it. It's just a good heavy weight and easy to tie onto the string. We have the sun behind us, that way. It is shining down. Oh, what have I told you guys about this? Huh? What have I said? It's windy and all that, but that's no excuse. Halfway through a production, okay? Please, show some restraint. Now, where was I? Where did that gust of wind go? And where did it come from? Now, as I was saying, the sun is directly behind the string, right? Sun, string, shadow. No delay. Sun, please come back out. If I go like this, you'll see the shadow going off to one side. That is the bounce from the mirror. So the sun is radiating absolute light. And we are blocking it with the string and the magnet. If there were photons involved in any of this, if there was a delay of 8 minutes and 20 seconds involved in this, I couldn't be standing here looking at these shadows lined up the way they are. It's that basic. Now, I'm not sure how many coats of what colour paint you want to do with this, but nothing is going to change the fact that the sun radiates absolute light. Still hasn't been any explanation for how a solar eclipse can play out with finite light, and I don't expect there to be one anytime soon. I don't expect any of the local astrophysicists or any of their colleagues to come on and explain how a solar eclipse can play out with finite light, because it would be great to see though, wouldn't it? I thought I'd just pop this one in really quickly because it sprang to mind. So again, we have the sun behind the string and the magnet. It is casting a shadow. It's blocking the absolute light from the sun. We have the reflection off of the mirror, back and straight through itself. That could not happen if there was a delay. Like, there is nowhere to go with this. But we know they like to give us the silent treatment because they don't have an answer. They're not even trying to make fun of it anymore, are they? Remember how they used to try and make fun of the things that I was saying? But now, there it is. So remember, photons were involved, so it was for entertainment purposes only. But yeah, just it's good to remind science that it doesn't overrule common sense. Not even close, unfortunately. All right, folks, I will be back. Remember, entertainment purposes only. The photon was involved.